Measured, steady. You are starting from zero. You have a complex system to build, and right now, you only have a cursor in an empty file. Out of the box, a large language model exists in isolation. It contains vast training data, but it is disconnected from your reality. It cannot read your specific databases or execute your local code. The Claude API is the industrial-grade engine designed to break that isolation. It is a reasoning core built for integration. To move from an isolated model to a functional system, you have to wire that core into your environment. You have to build the physical bridges between the model and your data. The first piece of infrastructure is the perimeter. Before a single token of data can be exchanged, you must establish a secure line. API authentication is this handshake. It creates an encrypted uplink that verifies your environment and connects it to the model. Once this uplink is active, the system is no longer a static file. It is a two-way street where data can begin to flow, but a secure connection is only the potential for intelligence. The system remains effectively paralyzed without the ability to act on the world around it. There is a wall between the AI's reasoning and your external digital environment, the software and databases where your work actually lives. Tool integration is the infrastructural bridge that crosses that wall. You equip the model with a predefined menu of authorized actions. When a task requires action, it selects a tool and sends a signal to your external environment. Your system performs the operation and reports the result back to the model. Tools transform the AI from a passive conversationalist into an active operator capable of manipulating its environment. Even with tools, an operator is limited if it lacks context. Your private company data lives outside the model's default training. Without access to that data, the system cannot make informed decisions about the specific files or records it is manipulating. To solve this, you build Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG. This provides the system with targeted memory. RAG functions as a precision searchlight. It sweeps through your document repositories to find exact matches for a specific query. It extracts that information and injects it into the context window right before the model processes the request. With tools for action and RAG for memory, the foundational infrastructure is assembled. The system is ready to be unified. Looking at the build now, the individual pieces are no longer disconnected. This is an agent. It is a closed loop of the infrastructure you just built. It retrieves context via RAG, reasons through that data, triggers a tool to take action, and repeats that cycle until the objective is met. The loop reaches a terminal state. The logic has iterated through the available data, executed necessary commands, and verified the outcome against original parameters. The blank slate is gone. In its place is industrial-grade infrastructure, where the Anthropic API serves as the reasoning core for a system built to see, remember, and act.